Welcome to my channel, buddy. My name is Vineet. I am working as a lead UX designer in Gemini solution from past 6.5 years. We recently expanded our office from Gurgaon, Panchkula, and now in Bangalore. And today, right now, I'm here in Bangalore. We'll give you a short tour how our Bangalore office looks like, because I'm getting a lot of queries. A lot of people are joining from Bangalore as well. So therefore, this particular blog is dedicated to all those people who are in Bangalore, who wish to be part of Gemini and join Bangalore office, and those who want to see the Bangalore office. So let me give you a short tour, and I hope you will going to enjoy this. With me, I have Abhay here, who is from Bangalore only, working with Gemini from past 1 year now, and this is our office space. Right now, this is the table where I used to work, and then we have another table here in Bangalore where other folks are sitting in. So right now in Bangalore, we have a co-working space. Definitely around 20 people are working here at Gemini, and we are expecting many more people to come and join Gemini very soon. So let me give you a small tour, and we'll show you what are the things here in Bangalore and what are the things around this office space. Let's go. Our office space, so we have good of motivational post and everything. These are the folks here who recently joined from VIT, and this is our Gemini banner here, what we stands for. You can see definitely on the website, and this is the whole space and whole vibe of Gemini solutions right now. These are the other company folks who are working in. Say hi. Yes, and this is another room that we have in here, so you can have our meetings and other things here. So we have 4 sitting space. We have a good hoarding here of Gemini that we created recently because we completed 10 years at Gemini Solutions. Let me show you the coffee area that we have at Gemini Bangalore. You have this coffee machine. You can have all the coffee all the time. Vending machine, a small fridge, and a microwave oven to have coffees and other stuff. Best part of the office is this particular place. This is very cozy. You can sit here, have a cushion, have chats. We have locker systems. We have 1 locker of Gemini right now. Later on, when we are expanding, we can have more. Our office here, it is at ground floor. At the 4th floor, there is a terrace, and the terrace is a very good place where you can have food. These people are going home early today because it's the share time right now here. Yes. This is how it looks like. Here's our guard bhaiya. Say hi. They will come on the YouTube. Super cool guard who used to sit here, smiling always. So whenever coming to Bangalore, say hi and tell them you watched his video. This is how our office looks from outside. It's Urban Vault 1515, and this is how the overall building looks like. It's very cozy, very good. We have a parking space as well. The reason why I'm making this vlog in English is that a lot of people are from South and they don't understand Hindi. That's why I'm making this video for you guys who can easily understand Hindi and English as well.
Hello everyone, my experience in Gemini was very good. It really feels good to be here, and I hope I will also do my best in this company. Thank you. And also it was very good meeting Vineet sir. He's very friendly and supportive.
Thank you.
Everyone, this is Deepan here, and I personally wish to have Bangalore location, and I got the Bangalore location as well, and looking forward at Gemini Solutions. And it's been a 1 month experience as a fresher and a technical trainee over here, and the colleagues over here are so friendly, and looking forward at Gemini Solutions. And telling about the Bangalore location, it's quite always cold climate, and you guys can the guys who are in Gurugram can visit at Bangalore office. It's quite different to visit over here. And looking about guest house, the company, they have provided a guest house for a week to find PG, and guest house we had such a good experience with Vineet sir, and we made a reels, and it's posted in his account. You can watch over there. It's quite interesting reels, and that's it. Thanks.
So my overall experience at Bangalore office is quite nice. This is the first time I'm visiting Bangalore for 15 days, which was a very good time. I got to know, I meet different people here at Bangalore, and the culture and everything is quite different. So in Bangalore office, this whole space is very cozy. You will definitely love enjoying here, working here, and you will love this place for sure. And the good thing about this area is that HSR is one of the prime area in Bangalore, and you can have a lot of food joints, famous food joints here in Bangalore in HSR only. The coconut is very cheap here. The food is very tasty. We have a MTR restaurant nearby only. We have a Muthali restaurant, which is, the food is super cheap. We are going for a coffee and tea right now there only. So you will find that very good. So, and the guest house definitely that Deepan was talking about is very good as well. So if you are coming to Bangalore office, just drop an email to the admin team and request to your manager, and you will get a stay here, and you can be a part of the Gemini Bangalore office as well. And if you want to join Gemini, if you are not part of a Gemini, if you want to join a Gemini, I'm dropping a link of my email ID in the description box. You can go and apply. We are hiring, we used to hire, and we will hire a lot of people just like you and to be part of Gemini. Let's go for the tea. You can eat tasty golgappa here outside Gemini only. 20 rupees per plate, which is good. And Muthali restaurant is there, and MTR restaurant is there at that side. It's quite happening in the evening. You can have one paratha corner that side also, and other restaurants in this way only. This is our Muthali restaurant where we always used to come in the morning and have breakfast, and everything is quite cheap here. We will have a coffee there, and we'll show you the rate card also. See how cozy this place is. You can come here for coffee, tea, breakfast, lunch and dinner as well. You can book a food or tea here. Just simply go there, click on eat in. It will load. I will add tea, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. You want to something? Oh, which one? Order it. 39, and we will check out. You have to just QR scan. Abe, please do the favor. The last last tea of Bangalore is being sponsored by Mr. Abe. So if you are coming to Bangalore, ask Abe, he will give you the tea. Okay, Abe? On record. And you will get your slip here after paying it. You will get a slip here from this side. You have to give it there. It's quite easy, automated process. So 13 rupees per chai. And items you can get it at the best part. I like it about the South Indian food. The rates are very less here as compared to Delhi and other stuff. So you can definitely have different food items here. And this is how the menu looks like. Here you can get juices, food bowls and other things. And here is the South Indian stall. That guy used to help us a lot for South Indian food. Everything is neat and clean, and the food is quite tasty here in this particular kitchen. और ये फाइनली भाई हमारी चाय आ चुकी है. ये अबे चीटिंग करता है. कम वाली चाय मेरे को दी है, ज़्यादा वाली इन्होंने ली है. हाँ अबे गुड. Chai is very tasty. And the best part about all the offices, like I talked about in Gurgaon office as well, as this tea breaks and chai breaks that we used to have. And right, the best conversation that you can have with anyone in the office or outside office is tea breaks or a coffee break. So do utilize this time. Come for a tea. Definitely I prefer to have a tea outside, not that machine tea. So that's good. Cheers. Cheers guys. Cheers. Cheers to you. See you soon in Bangalore. Close it. Apart from what I've shown to you, there are different food joints available. So definitely go to MTR, which is very near to our office. You can go to Rameshwaram Cafe, which is like around 5 to 6 kilometers from here. You must visit Iskon Temple in Bangalore. You can visit Muthali restaurant for breakfast, lunch and dinners as well. You must visit like McDonald's, Burger Kings, and these things are already available. Coconut is very cheap here. It's around 40 rupees as compared to New Delhi. So you can go and ask for paper ganji coconut. Go and definitely go and try that out. You must try in the food items. You must try dosa. There are different type of varieties of dosa. There is a very famous shop called as 99 Variety Dosa, which is just near to McDonald's HSR. I will show in the map also, or you can find all the details in the description box. So go and check different varieties of dosas. Best one I liked was the pav bhaji dosa. Then we have spring roll pizza, and that this sweet corn cheese pizza is also very good. So must go and check it out. And those people who are like a fan of tea, so there are different tea shops available across the HSR layout. Definitely go and check that out, and you will definitely going to enjoy the tea here for sure. And don't forget to experience the YOLO ride. So from the guest house that we have in nearby to office, you can find a YOLO. You just need to install a YOLO app. If you want to get a free ride, there is a link in the description box. Go download that and start your YOLO. It's like 2 rupees per minute. You have to pay around 200 rupees as a security deposit. You will get it refunded when you stop using that services. It is a must. I enjoyed it a lot. I traveled in rainy season also. I traveled during my office, after office. It's a must go place. and Agara Lake is there. If you are having a weekend here, you can go to Nande Hills. I went to Nande Hills also. So there are the few different things that you can definitely go and enjoy and explore for sure. All other things I can put it down in my description box. I already made a lot of vlogs of different places. You can check that out of Bangalore as well. And I hope you will going to have a great time here in Bangalore office, or if you are in Bangalore for sure. Apart from this, if you haven't seen the Gemini Gurgaon office and Panchkula office, do check out. There are a lot of vlogs that I have already created on my channel. And in case you have any questions, any doubt related to Gemini, you want to ask something, different things, you just hit me up on LinkedIn, Instagram with called as Bhedi, or just mail me directly, and I will be very happy to help you. I hope you like this small vlog of Bangalore office. Definitely I will be making more vlogs of this Bangalore office, Gurgaon office, and other location, and very soon I will be visiting to Hyderabad office of Gemini as well, so we'll be making a vlog of that as well. So thank you so much guys. Hope to see you soon in office soon. Just ping me up, message me up if in case you have any questions, any doubt. Bye bye. मौज लो, रोज लो, ना मिले तो खोज लो, हैशटैग करके दिखाएंगे. Bye bye.